Okay, in my last video, I show you how to use the arm blaster with the fit grips and the curl bar. So right now, I'm going to show you how to work your forearms. Get your forearms with these right here. So what you do, you just add the fit grips like usual. They're very easy to install. You just open it, install it, and that's it. Pretty simple. So what you do, you just get your arm blaster, put it on, make sure it's properly adjusted to your height, everything's all even, and you just grab your curl bar. You could do your regular curls. That's one exercise that you could do with it. Let me show you from the side real quick. See? Your arm is always going to be against the arm blaster for support. And now I'm going to show you real quick. If you want to do your forearms, just grab it just like this. And you just go ahead and you do your forearm exercise. I'm going to show you from the side real quick. See, very simple. Work your forearm. Your arm is against the arm blaster for support. So you're gonna have plenty of support for your arm, and then you just do your regular forearm curls, and that's how it's done. I'm gonna do some more video with this Fitbit because they're really come in handy. Like I said, I got one set. That's one set I have, and I have another set. So I got me two sets. You know what I'm saying? Just in case, I could use one for my curl bar and one for my bench. So you don't have to get two sets, but I recommend you get two sets. That's just me.